Alright, so right now we will solve we will solve this using the rational root theorem. So if I have f of x is equal to x squared plus 2x minus 3. So and I equate this one to 0. So yeah, I must get the factor of the constant, the 3. So the factor probably is positive and negative 1 and also 3. Then proceed with the factor of the leading coefficient. So the 1, so the factor of 1 is 1, so positive and negative. Now okay, so we'll make it as in fraction, so 1 all over 1, then 3 all over 1, or we can make this as simpler. 1 all over 1 is 1 and 3 all over 1 is 3. So this 1 and 3 is the suggested roots, but we don't know okay, what is the root that, or the zeros that can give us 0 remainder. So all you need to do is to have a trial and error. So we'll see. We try the 1. If 1 is substituted to all of the x, so 1 square plus 2 times 1 then minus 3 is equal to 0. And of course 1 square is 1 plus 2 times 1 is 2 minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so that it means that 1 is a root of this x squared plus 2x minus 3 because of the 0 gaining the remainder 0. So you can apply the trial and error and try the negative 1 after the 1, and you can proceed also with the 3. So now I'm proceeding with the 3, so I'll try the positive 3. So 3 squared plus 2 times 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Then that 3 squared is 9 plus 2 times 3 is 6 minus 3 is equal to 0. 9 plus 6 is 15, then minus 3 is 12. So 12 is the remainder, therefore this is too far from 0, so 3 is not the root of this polynomial function. So let's try the negative 3. Okay, so let's try the negative 3. What if the x is negative 3? So let's try negative 3. Okay, so negative 3 square plus 2 times negative 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, next 3 square is 9 plus so just wait, 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. Okay, 2 times negative is negative 6 minus 3 is equal to, a moment, so is equal to 0. Yeah, so this is equal to 0. And next, so 9. Okay, next 9 minus 6, so the answer is 3. Then minus 3 is equal to 0, so 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore we have the remainder 0 using the root negative 3. So therefore the final answer is 1, which is earlier the root, and also the last is the negative 3. So the answer is the roots of, so the roots are 1, negative 3. Because of these roots,